everybody. This is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hey gems, how are you doing? This is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger, and welcome to today's topic. Today I wanted to talk about when you choose to be happy, when you choose to have peace, people will walk away. Now, there's one thing about life is that so many people just are not at peace. They're very angry for one reason or the other. You know, I really can't tell you why people don't have peace in their life. But one thing, when you work on your peace, when you make good decisions to be at peace, there are going to be people who are going to be angry. They will judge you. They will tell you, oh, you think you're better than me. It has nothing to do with that you think you're better. Is you've put in the work. You've set the standard. You've demanded respect because you respect yourself. So healthy choices begets peace and happiness and joy. All of those things can be derived if you put in the work, but most don't want to do that. They just want to be angry or jealous, but that's not our thing, right, gems? We are not like that. I know for sure I'm not like how I used to be. I've grown. I'm happier, and I'm so grateful. I can't tell you guys how grateful I am to be at a space in my life where I'm traveling and I'm having fun and I'm accountable for myself. Like when I don't do things, like I can be honest, look at myself in the mirror and say, Marlene, you have dropped the ball, or you hurt this person, or you need to apologize. That's called personal growth. It's called maturity and healing. But the more that you heal, the more that you have standards, the more that you respect yourself, is the more other people over there are going to disrespect you, are going to give you the side eye. They will. People will side eye you because you're happier. People will talk about you. Oh, you're better than me now, right? Because now you have education. You worked hard to get that education, or you worked hard to, with therapy. You worked on yourself. You did that inner work that some people have no idea about, that inner work. But I am proud of you, and I'm proud of myself. But the thing is, don't stop wherever you are. Keep going. Do some more things, Maybe think about now, maybe about retirement or savings or travel, getting into some fun groups, doing some things, learning a new sport. My thing in my life right now, I want to be able to say that there's nothing that I can't do. Whereas before there were so many things that I couldn't do, and I would just say, oh, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know how to do that. You're the one to change that. And you also are the one to make peace be in your life. So whatever those things are that bog down your mind, that put a heavy weight on your back, on your heart, are affecting your peace of mind, affecting your mental health, you got to do something about it. We're the only one that can change our life. We're the only one that can make ourselves happy. So give yourself the permission to do that. Give yourself the permission to let go and to be happy. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of your growth. If nobody hasn't told you that, I'm proud of your growth. I'm proud that you're not just making excuses. You're not procrastinating like you used to. You become organized. You're accountable. You're saying no and meaning it. You're showing up for yourself. You're learning new things. That's amazing. And give yourself one of those too. And pat yourself on the back and then get right back in the game and do something else for yourself. Never get comfortable, but always be your best self. Because peace is your portion and you deserve it. Peace is my portion and I deserve it. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger, motivational speaker, and I appreciate your support. If you have come this far, hit the like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below how you're choosing your peace. I want for us to encourage each other as a GEMS family in the comment section. So let go. Let's do this. May peace be with you. Until the next time. Channel member shout out. Always that girl. Love baby. Leticia's third eye point of view. Dave's adventures. Boss Life Online. First Lady, Pink Parisian Visionaire. Thank you so much for your support. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Tracy Positive Corner. Global Empire ENT Media. Kicking it with the Rooks. Just call me Sammy 33. Tasha T /W5Q, and Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. Thank you so much for your membership and your support.